Hello everyone. Hi, this is Weltha. Okay, you guys, I got a new recipe coming today, and these are all the ingredients that you're going to need for my creamy chicken and vegetable soup. It's going to be so delicious, you guys. So, go get your ingredients and come cook with me. So, this is all the ingredients that you're going to need, okay? It's going to be a delicious creamy chicken and vegetable soup. So come cook with me. Get all your ingredients ready, you guys, and come cook with me, okay? Come make a creamy chicken and vegetable soup, and let's have fun. And the ingredients that we're going to need are some chicken, some heavy cream, some chicken bouillon, a half of a jalapeno pepper, some onions, some mixed vegetables that are frozen, and then you're going to need your spices. And the spices are some onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, some parsley, and I'll let you know as we go. Some regular salt and pepper also, you guys. So come on, come cook with me. And this recipe will be coming today, which is Sunday, September 29th.